In 1979, a deadly accident occurred at the amusement park known as Luna Park in Sydney, Australia. A fire broke out in the ghost train ride, engulfing the attraction in flames, trapping victims inside. Tragically, 6 lives were lost that night, with many more suffering from severe injuries. Investigations revealed alarming safety violations, including malfunctioning emergency exits and inadequate fire protocols, leading to a public outcry for stricter regulations. This horrific incident left an indelible mark on amusement park safety measures, forever changing the industry.